Bridging the chasm, understanding a key English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bridge the chasm. This idiom is not just about vocabulary, but about understanding cultural and linguistic nuances. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning together. The phrase, bridge the chasm, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. Bridge typically means a structure spanning and providing passage over a gap or barrier. Chasm, on the other hand, refers to a deep fissure or gap, typically in the Earth's surface. When put together, bridge the chasm metaphorically means to connect two very different ideas, people, or places, overcoming a significant difference or difficulty. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In business, the new marketing strategy aims to bridge the chasm between the company's traditional customers and the younger generation. 2. In personal relationships, counseling helped them bridge the chasm in their marriage caused by lack of communication. 3. In politics, the senator's speech was an attempt to bridge the chasm between the two opposing parties. These examples show how bridge the chasm can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the effort to overcome a large difference or division. The phrase, bridge the chasm, has its roots in literal meaning. Historically, building bridges was essential for connecting separated lands. The metaphorical use of this phrase borrows from this idea, implying the overcoming of obstacles to connect disparate elements, whether they are ideas, people, or groups. It's important to use this phrase in appropriate contexts. Bridge the chasm is best suited for situations involving significant differences or divisions. It's a powerful phrase that conveys the effort and success in overcoming major challenges or differences. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, bridge the chasm. It's a beautiful example of how English language uses imagery to convey complex ideas. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your communication. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be bridging linguistic chasms with ease. See you in our next lesson.